For businesses of all sizes, maintaining accurate and readily accessible financial records is not just good practice. It's essential for survival and growth. Accounting software plays a pivotal role in this, acting as the central hub for managing income, expenses, and a wealth of other financial data. Among the many accounting solutions available, Sage has established itself as a reputable and widely used platform. But have you ever stopped to consider what lies beneath the user-friendly interface? What kind of digital engine diligently stores and organizes all that crucial financial information? The question we're exploring today is, what database does Sage Accounting use? Delving into the technical underpinnings of software might seem daunting, but understanding the database that powers Sage can offer valuable insights into its capabilities, performance, and how it handles your sensitive financial data. While Sage offers a range of accounting products tailored to different business needs, the underlying database technology often varies depending on the specific product and its deployment method, desktop-based or cloud-based. Historically, for its desktop-based solutions, Sage has commonly relied on robust and well-established relational database management systems, RDBMS. Think of an RDBMS as a highly organized digital filing cabinet, where information is stored in structured tables with defined relationships between them. This structure ensures data integrity, consistency, and efficient retrieval. One of the prominent database systems that has been associated with Sage's desktop offerings is Microsoft SQL Server. SQL Server is a powerful and widely adopted RDBMS known for its reliability, scalability, and comprehensive feature set. It provides a secure and stable environment for managing large volumes of data, making it a suitable choice for businesses with growing financial records. SQL Server's architecture allows for efficient querying and reporting, which are critical for generating financial statements and analyzing business performance within Sage. Another database system that has been utilized by some of Sage's desktop products is Pervasive SQL, now known as Actian Zen. Pervasive SQL is a lightweight yet robust database engine often favored for its low resource consumption and ease of deployment, particularly in networked environments. It's designed to be efficient for transaction processing, which is crucial for recording financial transactions accurately and quickly within accounting software. It's important to note that Sage has evolved its product offerings significantly over time, particularly with the rise of cloud computing. For its cloud-based accounting solutions, such as Sage Business Cloud Accounting, the database infrastructure is typically managed by Sage themselves within their cloud environment. While Sage might not always publicly disclose the specific database technology powering its cloud services for proprietary and security reasons, it's highly likely they utilize enterprise-grade, scalable database solutions capable of handling the demands of a multi-tenant cloud environment. These could include other well-established RDBMS like PostgreSQL or MySQL, or even NoSQL databases depending on the specific data storage and retrieval requirements of the cloud platform. Why does the database matter? While the average user might not directly interact with the underlying database, the choice of database has several implications. Performance. A well-optimized database ensures that the software runs smoothly, even with large amounts of data. Operations like saving transactions, generating reports, and searching for information should be fast and efficient. Scalability. As a business grows, its financial data will also increase. The underlying database needs to be scalable to handle this growing volume without performance degradation. Data integrity and security. A robust database system incorporates features to ensure the accuracy and consistency of data. It also provides security mechanisms to protect sensitive financial information from unauthorized access. Reliability and stability. Businesses rely heavily on their accounting software. The underlying database needs to be reliable and stable to prevent data loss or corruption. For educational purposes, understanding the concept of a database and its role in software like Sage is crucial. It highlights the fact that user-facing applications are often built upon a foundation of sophisticated data management systems. Learning about different types of databases, relational versus NoSQL, their strengths, and their common use cases provides a broader understanding of how software applications store and manage information. In summary, while the specific database used by Sage Accounting can vary depending on the particular product, desktop, or cloud, and its evolution over time, historically, desktop versions have often utilized robust RDBMS like Microsoft SQL Server and Pervasive SQL, Acti and Zen. For its cloud-based offerings, Sage likely employs enterprise-grade, scalable database solutions within its cloud infrastructure. Understanding the role of the database underscores the importance of a reliable and efficient data management system in ensuring the performance, scalability, security, and integrity of accounting software that businesses depend on daily. Peering behind the numbers reveals a powerful digital engine diligently working to keep your financial world in order.